This 2027 Aliner Expedition rear sofa is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features a gray interior, sleeps 4, external shower, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, microwave, water heater, stovetop burner, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up RV features front dinette, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Aliner Expedition rear sofa is 1,985 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.